Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. I am here with my daily predictions for gold, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Gold has achieved a high of 1768 as I shared earlier in the day that one can remain long till the time it trades above 1735. Similarly, US30 and US100 trading with a drop as I asked you to go long only on US100. If you see it trading beyond 12930, precisely it traded with a drop. Now what is going to happen today with the US cash session? We will try to see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. So let's start with the gold first. Gold right now trading at 1759 levels. You can see here it is trying to retrace. However, it is still trying to honor this channel here and precisely taking the support here at 1755, which is a very strong support. And remember, this is an expanding triangle. It has achieved the high. Now it is trying to drop. Now be watchful of 1755. If you see it trading below 1755, then rather you can see this zone. It has to achieve this zone before it looks over to a rise. So yes, I will recommend you to go short only if you see it trading below 1750. If it drops below 1750, we can see a further fall and then you can expect that it is trying to reverse. Right now on the hourly chart on the upside, yes, if you look at this three candles consistently, if you look at this, only levels to go long is at 1764. If it trades beyond 1764, one can stay long. Directional movement trying to convert crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD had crossed over and it is divergent, indicating bearishness there. RSI is looking downwards. It was overbought. I had told you in the morning also. Similarly, on the 2-hour charts, it is trying to come back to this consolidation zone at around 1755, and that is why I say yes, if you see it trading below this zone at 1750, then only I will recommend you to go short. Else do not trade between 1750 and 1764. $14, stay away. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge a bit. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell entry. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards. Same thing I told you earlier in the day. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, see this is the second red candle. After this reversal, probably it may try to take it a little bit deep and probably it may try to achieve 1750, and below 1750 we can expect it to fall for 1745 and 1740 zone. See 1745 very strong support and 1740 very strong support on the downside. Directional movement is bullish, trying to converge here. Stochastic is looking forward to a vertical downfall. MACD is looking forward to a conversion and crossover for a sell entry. RSI was overbought. It is looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts, it is still trying to trade in this channel. There is a support here at 1754.55 levels. Be watchful here at around 1754. Yes, you can initiate a short entry at around 1754, but then be watchful 1750, 1745 and 40. These are the support levels which it may try to achieve. Hence you can go short at 1754 itself. Any long entry is recommended if you see it at 1764 only. Directional movement is still bullish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. Hence it may take it a little further down, but be cautious. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. A stochastic RSI was overbought, now looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, it has achieved a high. And yes, if it drops below 1754 now, probably below this the candle may try to pull it further down. And see the move here from 1755 to 1768 is almost $13. So if you see from 1754 to 1740, even if it tries to swing, it can try to come back to 1750, 1745 and 1740 and then bounce back again from those levels. Very much possible that it can close the day at 1755 itself. So till the time it trades above 1754, do not take a short entry for sure. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought here. On the 4-hour charts, the MACD is wide and divergent and bullish, and RSI is comfortable. Considering this, till the time it trades above 1754 today, you can stay long and it may again come back to 1764, and then beyond that we can see it achieving 1771 levels. Trade accordingly, trade with caution, and only short entry is below 1754. Till the time it trades above 1754, I'll still be long, but the good safe long entry is above 1764, beyond which you can expect it to achieve 1771 and plus levels. On the downside, below 1754 you can go short. The target is 1750, very strong support, then 17 45-47 zone and then 1740 levels. It can achieve that and bounce back and come back to 1754-55 zone towards the close, ending in a doji. So trade accordingly, take the positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. See, Tech 100 on the hourly charts is giving a breakout here. Only long entry I will recommend if it trades above 12,860 levels, and if you see it above 12,860 you can go long definitely. Beyond that one can again expect 12,900 and then 12,930. Beyond that it will fly for 13,000 levels. On the downside, see, it has a tendency to achieve at least 12,740. If it continues to drop from here, 12,740 levels should get achieved. So be watchful of 12,860 and 12,740. Below 12,750 again it will look forward to 12,700 and then 12,650 levels. Stronger support there on the downside. Look at the directional movement. It is trying to converge crossover. RSI is almost at the bottom. Sorry, stochastic is almost at the bottom. The MACD is wide divergent and still bearish, and RSI is looking downwards here. It was overbought towards the morning. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See, multiple candles getting the resistance there at 12,920 levels, and it is precisely getting reversed from those levels, trying to drop. Yes, if you see it trading about 12,860, go long, and then you can still expect it to see, rather probably the double top levels I will be cautious of 12,870, 880 zone, and then beyond that definitely it will fly for 12,920, and then beyond that it will fly. So the reversal confirmation is only if it trades about 12,880 levels. On the downside, it may try to achieve 12,740, 12,700, 640 levels, and below that only this zone here at 12,550 it may try to achieve once before it looks forward to a reversal. Yes, if you look at the channel lows are almost done, hence be cautious of this zone at 12,800 also. So this is the channel in which it is trying to trade. However, look at this, the highs are almost there. If it continues to trade about 12,920, possibly the sky is the limit. It can try to achieve 13,000 and 13,040 levels. So be watchful there. And now look at the directional movement. It is trying to converge here. The stochastic vertically looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a sell entry. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards here. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look at the 3-hour charts. Lower highs, reversal, and it is trying to trade it off. But how far this can go, that we need to look at. If it is bullish, it may achieve this zone and try to reverse from here. So possibly till the time it trades below 12,860, rather I will say 12,880, till the time it trades below 12,880 one can remain short, and then below that we can expect it to drop for 12,740 first support levels, and below that we can expect it to hit 12,700, 650, 600, 550 levels. This zone at 550 and 600, be watchful and cautious of this. It can attempt and achieve these levels. Now look at this on the 3-hour charts. If you look at how it has behaved, see, this was the rally, retracement, rally, retracement. So the retracement almost, it can come back till towards this zone at least 12,700 and 12,600 levels possible, but we have to be watchful. So it is right now trading in this channel. The bottom of this channel is at 12,650. There is a possibility that it may try to achieve this. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge here. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD was almost extremely wide and divergent. Now it is looking forward to conversion here. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards here on the 3-hour charts. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, 12,910, 920 zone, giving it a resistance, trying to retrace. Second red candle, be watchful of 12,880 and then 12,920. Only if it breaks past 12,920 one can possibly expect that it is going to remain bullish beyond those levels, else it may continue to drop. So beyond 12,920, 930, yes, you can stay long. Then 13,000, 13,040 levels, else on the downside it must try to achieve 12,740 levels, and in fact below that is also possible till towards 12,550 levels. Be watchful of 12,550, 12,600 zone today. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought on the 4-hour charts, looking downwards, may retrace a bit. MACD is divergent, but it is looking forward to a conversion here and trying to cross over and dip on the sell side. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards, indicating bearishness there. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. It traded outside the Bollinger Bands, got the pullback here, and it is trying to trade with a drop. See, 2 candles, 2 strong green candles. The bottom there, what we had seen yesterday, I will not confirm it is bearish till the time it trades about 12,740 and 12,700 zone. Till the time it trades about 12,700, I will not confirm this as a bearish move. But if it drops below 12,700, there is a possibility that it may come back to 12,600 and 12,550 levels. Be cautious of 12,600, 12,550. Any move beyond 12,930 is the only level beyond which I will recommend you to go long on Nasdaq 100 today. Directional movement is bullish. It is looking forward to converge a bit. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent and bullish here, and RSI is at comfortable levels. Considering this, only long entry I will recommend is at 12,880. Beyond that, 12,920, 930 level should be a very good resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly, so you can go long at 12,880 levels. On the downside, till the time it trades below 12,880, I will expect it to hit 12,740, 12,700 first support zone, then 12,600 and then 12,550 levels will come into picture. Be cautious of 12,550, 600 zone. It can take the support there and bounce back from there. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. Look at the hourly charts of US 30. You can find it is trying to break this channel. This was the bullish channel. It has tried to come back. So till the time it trades below 32,600, one can stay short. It has already achieved 32,500. Very strong support down there at 32,500, breaking which one can expect it to is 32,380 and then 32,300. Below that, it is going to break till towards 32,200 level. Very strong support now at 32,200. It can come back till towards those levels. But before that, you must observe that it has achieved slightly higher highs now. Directional movement is bullish, but it is looking forward to converge and crossover for a sell entry. Stochastic looking vertically downwards. The MACD is wide divergent and bearish here. On the hourly charts, RSI looking downwards on the hourly charts. It was overbought, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts too, it has come out of this bullish channel. This is a breakout here, and hence be cautious there. Any move beyond 32,650 is a very good entry to, rather I'll say 32,660 is a very good entry to go long, and then beyond that it can fly. And the support there at 32,400, 380 is very strong. Beyond that, it can try to go till towards 32,300 and 32,200 level. Directional movement is bullish. It is trying to converge from here. Stochastic is looking downwards. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover and sell-off. RSI was overbought, now looking downwards. If you look at the 3-hour chart, this is a first red candle. Be cautious, and it can reverse from here, but only long entry I will confirm is if it trades about 32,660 levels. On the downside, below that 32,500, you can expect a further drop for 32,400, 32,300 and 200 levels. It can drop till towards 32,200 possibly. Directional movement is bullish. It is looking forward to converge. And yes, the stochastic is overbought, looking vertically downwards. The MACD is also looking forward to converge from here. It is seen the highs, probably RSI is overbought, looking downwards from here, indicating probably we can expect a little bearish move. Look at the 4-hour charts. Now on the 4-hour charts, we have seen lower lows, we have seen higher highs. The pivot there at 32,600, only long entry is above 32,600, but then you can expect it to get the resistance at 32,650, 660 zone. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. Then the breakout is going to be strong. On the downside, 32,500 is a very strong support. If it breaks below 32,500, go short. Directional movement is bullish. It is looking forward to converge. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is wide divergent, bullish. It is looking forward to converge. RSI is also overbought, and it is looking vertically downwards. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, almost higher highs is done, and see it is almost trading at the top of the Bollinger Bands. Now looking forward to a drop. See, once it gets past 32,500, once it drops below 32,500, there is a possibility for it to drop till towards 32,400, 380. This is a very strong support. This is a pivot level also, and then towards 32,300 and 250, 200 zone must get achieved on the downside. And if you look at the channel, see, this is the second green candle there, and a third green candle can be expected, but on the downside 32,200 is a very strong support. So be cautious till 32,200, it can reverse. And directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is wide divergent bullish. RSI near to top. Considering this, only long entry is above 32,600 levels. Beyond that, also remember, till 32,650, 660, it can reverse, but do not stay short once it is above 32,650, 660 zone. If it is above this, it may hit 32,740, 800, and then beyond that 33,000 levels can be seen there. We can see the third bullish candle there. On the downside, once it breaks below 32,500, go short. Then one can expect 32,380, 400 zone, and then below that it may see 32,300 and 200. For the day, 32,200, 250 is a very good support on the downside. From there, it can bounce back again on the upside. Be cautious of there. Below 32,200, it is going to break 32,000 again. So anything is possible. These are markets, but at the same time on the upside, you should be cautious of 32,660 zone. Beyond that, we can see a little rise till towards 32,700, 740, and then 32,800, and then 33,000 levels can be expected and achieved. So trade accordingly in between 32,500 and 600. Do not trade with caution in between these 100 points. Also be cautious, even if you take a long and trade 32,600, be cautious till 32,650, 660 zone. It can reverse, and beyond that it is going to fly. So take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. The 13th batch is going to start soon. It's going to start on 8th of August. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.